everybody. So we are in Liberia. I'm sorry if you can't really hear me. It is really noisy out here. But we are waiting for the Chica bus to come and pick us up. My mom did a big uh-oh and only printed out my sister's, 3 papers on my sister's ticket, so she has to go print out our other ones right now. So I'm sitting here alone with all these backpacks. Talking to a camera. And it's like this really busy highway thing. But yeah, that is what we're doing right now, and I will start vlogging throughout the day, starting now. We are here in Nicaragua. Nicaragua. We are leaving tomorrow at 5:30 to Honduras. We are staying a night in Honduras, and then we are going to
the Bay Islands.
The Bay Islands, which will be where we go scuba diving.
No.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Scuba diving. Yeah. So it's probably gonna be like the end of. I know it's short, but it's like the end of today because we're probably gonna sit in the tiny hotel room and do nothing all day because that's how cool we are. Goodbye. JK, JK, JK. That was not the end of my vlog. My mom and Aubrey went down to this, like a, where'd you go? Like a random soda just down. Okay. And so this is gonna be our dinner. I stayed home and did schoolwork, but this is the dinner. Not really home, I guess.
The huge chicken.
It looks delicious and it smells like Me and Aubrey got these 2 drinks. Yum. And it was all together like $8, right?
No, with the drinks, no.
Like $9. That's pretty good. So yeah. Now this is the end of the vlog. So goodbye.